Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I just want to come on, do a quick video to tell you about a tag swap that is happening. Carol at Oak House Journals is doing a tag swap, and she invited me to participate. And I just wanted to tell you about it. So I'm going to link her video below where she talks about it. And in her description box, she has all the must know sort of things and everything. And yeah, so it'll be fun. I am thinking I'm going to do either one of these little tags. I like them because they're my tracing paper strips, and then this kind of fun thing that I did with the coffee dyed strips for the backing. So yeah, so I just wanted to tell you about it and see if you're interested. Go over to Oak House Journals on YouTube and check out her video, and you too could be part of this Christmas tag swap. So thanks everybody so much for watching, and I hope you'll come play with this little endeavor. So Carol's a sweetheart, and I know she'll appreciate your visiting her channel. So thanks so much. Have a grateful day, everyone. Bye.